In a given class, there are 3rd grade, 4th grade, and 5th grade students. And they're all together. If a student is selected randomly, the probability that they are in 3rd grade is 1/3, and the probability that they are in 5th grade is 3/8. What could be a possible value for the number of students in the 4th grade? So here we have multiple different scenarios going on, and it's more like our problem with the red and blue crayon. So I have a total number of students, which I'm not given, so total number of students, and then I have some probability of picking either a 3rd grader, a 4th grader, or a 5th grader. And I'm given the probabilities for 3rd and 5th grade, which are 1/3 and then 3/8. So 3rd and 5th. So if I add these two, I could find the probability that I'm picking either a 3rd or a 5th grader. And then I could maybe subtract that probability to figure out what probability I have of picking a 4th grader. So if I add these two, I just find a common denominator, and I end up with 17/24 is my likelihood of either picking 3rd or 5th grade. So given that this is my probability, this is really 3rd and 5th graders. So that's how I could satisfy that I'm picking one of these two over the total number of students. So here, what I'm going to want to do is a little bit different, just because I don't necessarily have a value for total number of students. So I might just want to call it this value, 24. And this would, a possible value, this could be a multiple choice test question, or it could be one of your fill in the blanks question, and either one it would be fine. So if I have my total number of students is 24, and 17 of them are in 3rd and 5th grade, then I can figure out the number of 4th grade students, because 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade make up the whole class, or the 24. So if I take 17 away from 24, I get 7, and that's how many 4th graders I would have in a class of 24. So that's more knowing how to manipulate this equation, but playing around with these things are definitely good, and there are really different ways that probability can be tested, but none of them should be beyond the realm of comprehension, because we just have this basic one equation for probability. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you again for watching Educator.com's SAT Math Review.